Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before going into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also comment in the comment box. This time our topic of inquiry is on belief systems. Now what is a belief system? I believe in certain God X. Say somebody else believes in some other God Y. So there are two religions or cults are created. The previous one says that his God is the supreme one, and he says the other God is inferior. Our mind has the capacity to produce so many gods as we like. We can create as many gods as we like. So there are so many divisions of humanity, of people along belief systems. Now the belief system produces second-hand human beings. Belief system is fixed. Say, I am an Aryan and somebody else belongs to some other race. So a great division is born between these two races. Similarly, languages, places, so many other divisions. All these divisions are existing because of our belief system. On the contrary, what is seeking? A seeker has a scientific view, a scientific worldview of things. He is concerned with what really exists. His approach is very much scientific. He does not accept whatever has been told to him. He investigates, he examines, he puts all those things on test. Then only he accepts those things. Hence, real seeking produces original human beings. On the other hand, those who are following belief system produces second-hand human beings. For any given human being, he or she wants only to be original. We are not the carbon copy made by the nature. We are original human beings. For a original human being, great intelligence is needed. Maturity is needed. Maturity does not upon time. It can be achieved at any given time. What is needed for that? We have to consider the whole existence as one. It appears there are so many divisions, so many varieties. But if we consider the creation is same for all the human beings. For the whole existence, the creation is same. So, belief system does not have any place as far as the real things are concerned. The real seeker is concerned with what is based on facts only. Hence, the seeker lives moment to moment. Whatever comes out of that, he accepts. Whatever does not fit with his things, he rejects. Human beings have numerous gods. He believes that their gods will save his life. Why? Because human beings on the earth feel insecure. They want security or authority. For that purpose only they have created so many belief systems. Somebody belongs to this place and somebody belongs to another one place. and this person calls that person as a foreigner. Somebody is black, somebody is white. These are all based on certain beliefs. They don't have any existential reality. Now, what is existential reality? Existential reality is based on creation. Now, creation is same for all. Even for animals and human beings, the creation works equally. For that, a sensitive mind with pliability is required. As we have told earlier, a meditative mind is also needed. Then only reality can be achieved. Belief system is very easy and very cheap. That's why people are following so many belief systems. Somebody tells that the world will come to end by 2050. Such predictions are possible only for them. They predict about life, but a seeker does not predict about the life. He lives moment to moment. Whatever comes, he accepts. So seeking is totally scientific. But belief system does not need any scientific approach. Belief system is fixed. It creates lots of conflicts and disturbances in day-to-day life. All the conflicts which are existing here are because of these kind of belief systems. So a real seeker must avoid these kind of belief systems. We always stand for the real and sincere seeking. The real and sincere seeking will deliver us from ignorance. That is the greatest thing that can ever happen to a human being. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another aspect of life.